Fresh from the showcase here at Swiss Watch Expo. Today we're going to be talking about this absolutely fantastic and beautiful Rolex Pearlmaster. Now this particular Pearlmaster sets itself apart from many of the others that we see because of this purple dial that is known as the aubergine dial. For those that don't know, aubergine is the plant of the nightshade family that bears the technical fruit of eggplant. Most of us use it as a vegetable, but that is where this color comes from. It's from that rich, dark purple eggplant color. Now, many may be aware that the color purple is also attributed to royalty in many cultures throughout history. Now, one of the things about the Pearlmaster, this is considered to be one of the most elite versions of this collection. And of course, the collection itself sets itself apart from other president models or Datejust. Rolex really went out of their way to put it at the top, close to the pinnacle of their entire line. Now, this is a 39mm watch. This particular one is in 18 karat rose gold. So that's going to include the case, the bezel that holds all of the diamonds, all of the settings for the diamonds inside the dial, as well as the hands. Now we also have this gorgeous Pearlmaster bracelet with the hidden clasp that is also made out of 18 karat gold, and of course the crown is as well. Lots of gorgeous, fine detail, attention and detail went into making this watch. Not only do you have some of the standard designations from Rolex, like the logo of the coronet on the crown, you've got that same coronet up at the 12 o'clock, just like we would expect from a Rolex. But if you look closely at the dial, you'll notice that the 6 and 9 hour markers actually have another 16 additional diamonds in each one of them, adding 32 diamonds, to the total count of this watch. That's in addition to the diamonds located at various hour markers throughout the dial and the bezel itself. An absolutely gorgeous piece. Come check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.